About the domino effect, or have you heard about the physics of dominoes? Yes, it's one of those games that we keep on playing, but I'm talking about the real physics, and this physics can help you change your mind, your body, your health, and your wellness goals. So please hear me out. Think of it this way. Here's the deal. If you set up a chain of dominoes where every domino is 1.5 times larger than the next one, and then the next one, and the next one, you can create a chain reaction according to science, which will blow your mind away. So for example, let's say we had 13 dominoes, and then the first one would be 5 millimeter high and 1 millimeter thick, while the last one, the 13th one, would be about 3 feet tall and about 100 pounds almost. When you push that first tiny domino, the rest will keep falling in progression, and this amplifies the power up to 2 billion times. That is 2 billion times more energy than the first one. Now, let's think about it this way, and let's try to apply this principle to our health, to our life, to our wellness, and to our goals. Start with a clear goal, a big goal. Think of losing 20 kgs, or think of running a marathon, and then set up a series of micro goals that will help you get there. Think of these micro goals as dominoes. Start with the smallest one, micro goal, micro goal, micro goal, till you reach your goal. Micro goals can be drinking more water, taking the stairs, taking the stairs instead of elevators. As you finish each and every micro goal, you're going to get momentum, and that is going to amplify your potential power. Just like those dominoes, your micro goals would add up over time, and that leads you to success. And sometimes you might think like taking a small step, what's the big deal? But if you are small and consistent, your power is going to increase, just like the example that we spoke about today, dominoes. So go ahead, knock that first domino, watch yourself as it leads you towards achieving your health and wellness and even life goals. And who knows, maybe you'll have the power to knock over a domino which weighs as powerful as a hippopotamus. So that's it for today.